Need a special cake for a birthday party? Don't stress over complex recipes. This strawberry cake is easy and yummy. Hi and welcome to Blogging Good Food. I am Hannah and today I am making a summer favorite, the strawberry cake. Grab your bowls, whisk and ingredients. Let's bake. You will need basic ingredients: 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup milk, 1 cup fresh strawberries, chopped, or 1 cup frozen strawberries thawed and drained. Step 1. Mix your butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This makes the cake tender and airy. Step 2. Add the eggs one by one, beating well each time. This blends the yolk with the batter. Step 3. In another bowl, whisk your flour, baking powder, and salt. This adds air for a raisin cake. Then fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture in parts with some milk. Don't overmix. A few lumps are fine. Step 4. Fold in your chopped strawberries. Be gentle but mix well. Step 5. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your cake pans. Pour the batter in and shake it a bit. Bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Step 6. While the cake bakes, you can make some strawberry frosting. It's extra but worth it. We have an easy recipe on our website blogginggoodfood.com, or use store-bought frosting, no problem. What's your favorite way to enjoy strawberries? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yummy content.